Hi everyone, this is Sri Varalakshmi Maturi. Welcome back to my channel. Today, as a part of your IIIT entrance examination revision, PYQ problems we are discussing. In this discussion, it is the continuation for the part 1. From the problem number 35 onwards, we need to learn 1 to 34 PYQ problems whichever are asked in the APRJC and TSRJC in 2020 as well as 2019. Now let's start our problem with 35th. The area of the triangle with the vertices of A comma B minus C, B comma C plus A and C comma B plus A is. Now look at here, if you want to find out the area of the triangle, better to use the down arrow up arrow method. Multiply it A into C plus A minus B into B minus C plus B into B plus A minus C into C plus A plus C into B minus C minus A into B plus A. Half into AC plus A square minus B square plus BC plus B square plus AB minus C square minus AC plus BC minus C square minus AB minus A square. Any cancellation here? Plus B square minus B square plus A square minus A square plus C square minus C square plus AC minus AC minus AB plus AB half into 2 times of BC. Getting cancelled, BC square units is the answer. Let's move to the next problem. The expression tan A by 1 minus cot A plus cot A by 1 minus tan A can be written as. First of all, whenever you wanted to simplify this kind of problem, if you have observed the options, everything either in sine, cos, secant, cosecant, secant A, cosecant A, like that it is. So whenever we are going to do like this problem, it's better to express the tan in terms of sine and cos and cot in terms of also sine and cos. Do you know that in what way you can express the tan is at sine A by cos A? 1 minus cos A by sine A. Now let us simplify by LCM. Now clearly use the reciprocal. Sine into sine, sine square A by. Now multiply this denominator and this numerator, cos A into sine A minus cos A. Sine square A by cos A into sine A minus cos A plus cos square into sine A into cos A minus sine A. Now let us take out sine square A minus cos square A common. But if you observe that here it is not there. That is why let me express that cos A minus sine A as sine A minus cos A. But can we express like that? No. That is why here positive I made it into negative. Now take out a common, that is 1 by sine A minus cos A is taken common. What is left over means sine square A by cos A minus cos square A by sine A. Very simple. 1 by sine A minus cos A into cross multiplication sine cube A minus cos cube A by sine A cos A. We know that sine cube A minus cos cube A can be written as sine A minus cos A into sine square A plus cos square A plus sine A cos A by, as usual, sine A cos A is there. By cancelling this, what is left over? 1 we can write. Why? Sine square A plus cos square A is 1 plus sine A cos A by sine A cos A. 1 by sine A cos A you can write secant A cosecant A plus sine A cos A by sine A cos A value is 1. Then option is secant A cosecant A plus 1 is the answer. Let's move to the next problem. 37th problem. Empty set is A. Empty set means its cardinal number of any empty set is 0. Whether it is 0 or anything having some countability. So we call that is a finite set. It can't be infinite. It can't be singleton, because singleton means one element should be, and invalid means not invalid set. Now x plus y comma x minus y comma x minus 3y are in AP, then the common difference B. Common difference means A2 minus A1. A2 means x minus 1 minus A1 x minus y, because minus x minus y. Getting cancel, answer is minus 2y. 39th problem is 3 power x equal to m, then the value of 10 power x into log of 10 log 3 base 10 plus 2 into log 3 base 10. First of all, let me simplify this particular thing, that is log 3 into 3 square to the base 10 and 10 to the power of x. We know it is a log 27. You can write it as 10 to the power of log 3 cube whole power x to the base 10. Now you can write log 10 and this one is getting cancelled, only we will get 3 power x whole cube. Then 3 power x is equal to m, then answer will be m cube. Then we can move to the next one. This is bracket is kept like this, we can do. Maybe bracket is only for x, means in this way we can do it. Let's see this. 10 to the power of x log 3 to the base 10 plus 2 into log 3 to the base 10. 10 to the power of x log 3 to the base 10. We know that a power m plus n can be written as a power m into a power n. That's why 10 to the power of x log 3 to the base 10 into 10 to the power of 2 log 3 to the base 10. You can write that 10 into log 3 to the base 10 whole power x into log of 10 log of 3 square to the base 10. Then you will get it is the 3 power x into 3 square. 3 power x is anyhow m they given, 3 square is 9. Then answer is 9m will be the answer. Based on the x, actually bracket they given like this, that's why I have done. Maybe bracket is like this, means we are getting the option. Coming to the 40. If n of a union b is equal to 54, n of a is 20, n of b is 45, then the value of n of a intersection b. We already know that n of a union b can be written as n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. 54 is equal to 20 plus 45 minus x. 54 is equal to 65 minus x. Then x is equal to 11. We got the x value is 11 is the answer. Let's move to the next problem. If 3 points A, P, 2, B, minus 3, 4 and C, 7, minus 1 are collinear, then the value of the PB. Usually collinear when they have used, we know that area of the triangle is 0. Is there any another way to say the 3 points are collinear, means with the help of their slope also. Slope is easier. That is why I am going to find out the slope of AB which is equal to slope of BC. As we know these are a collinear, means as a line they are maybe on the same line. Now we are going to find out the slope of the AB, that is 4 minus 2 by minus 3 minus P equal to slope of BC minus 1 minus 4 by 7 minus of minus 3. 2 by minus 3 minus P equal to minus 5 by 10. 1 time, 2 time. So 3 plus P, because minus into this get cancelled, will give you 4. Then P is 4 minus 3, P equal to 1. Whenever the 3 points are collinear, then the slopes are equal. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Let's move to the next problem. 42nd one. 10 to the power of minus 3 can be written as in the form of logarithm, as we know that a power x is equal to n, means definitely log n to the base a equal to x. Now number is log of 0.01. Log of 0.001, yes, this and this to the base 10. Here 3 they given, here minus 3. So option 4 is correct. The roots of 6x square plus 40 minus 31x equal to 0. First of all, it is not in a standard form. Convert into the standard form. You know that what is meant by the standard form. That means expressing the powers of the x either in ascending order or in descending order. We are taking in descending order. Roots anyhow, you know that multiply the constant term and the x square coefficient, you will get 240. 15 16s are 240. So 6x square minus 15x minus 16x plus 40 equal to 0. X is 8 by 3 and x is 5 by 2 are the answer. Next, look at the problem number 44. If the slope of a line joining the point a comma 0, 0 comma b is 2. They are asking you to find out the relationship. We know that, let us take it as this point is x1 y1 and coordinates of the second point are x2 y2. M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope anyhow 2, y2 minus y1, b minus 0 by 0 minus a. 2 equal to b by minus a. Do cross multiplication, b equal to minus 2a. b plus 2a equal to 0. Look at the 45th one. The first term of AP is minus 5 and the common difference is 2. Then the sum of the first 12 terms b. We already know that what is the common difference. Already they given it as d value is equal to 2. And first term a is equal to minus 5. Sum of 12 terms is sum of n terms formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The same manner 12 terms means 12 by 2 into 2 into a plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means here 12 term, that's why 12 minus 1 into 2. So 6 into minus 10. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 2 is 22. 6 into 12. Then 72 is the required one. Let's move to the next one. The solution for the equation ax plus by equal to a minus b and bx minus ay equal to a plus b. If you observe that rather than solving these two linear equations, just verifying the option is better. If I have chosen x equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, I may get that a plus 2b. A plus 2b may not be equal to a minus b. So first option is wrong. Go for the second option, x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1. So a minus b, yes, option 2 is correct. Then verify with the second linear equation also, yes, we are getting same. Look at the 47th one. The fourth vertex D of a parallelogram ABCD whose three vertices are A, B, C, then what is the vertex D is? Now if you observe the given ABCD parallelogram, then midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Midpoint of AC is equal, we know that x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, which is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. For the A and C, what is the midpoint is minus 2 plus 8 by 2 comma 3 plus 3 by 2. Next for the BD, it is 6 plus x by 2 comma 7 plus y by 2. 6 by 2 comma 6 by 2 equal to 6 plus x by 2, 7 plus y by 2. 6 equal to 6 plus x, where x equal to 0. 6 equal to 7 plus y, where y is equal to minus 1. Then 0 comma minus 1 will be the missing vertex. Now coming to the 48th one, x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus mx plus 5 is exactly divisible by x minus 3, then the value of m is. Now if you have observed that x minus 3 it is divisible by x minus 3 means we have to use the remainder theorem. The 0 of the polynomial is 3 and p of 3 is its remainder. So 3 power 4 minus 2 into 3 cube plus 3 into 3 square minus m into 3 plus 5. Anyhow it is divisible, they said, that's why remainder be 0. 81 minus 27 2 is 54. It is 27 because 9 3 is 27 minus 3m plus 5. 27 plus 27 plus 5 minus 3m will give you 54 plus 5, it is 59, minus 59 equal to minus 3. Then m equal to 59 by 3 will be the answer. Now look at the 49th one. Tan square 45 degrees plus 4 into tan square 60 degrees. We know tan square 45 means 1 square plus what is the tan 60 degrees from its standard angle table? It is root 3 whole square. 1 square plus 1, 4 into 3, which is equal to 1 plus 12, which is equal to 13. Now coming to the angle of tangent drawn to a circle with the radius r from a point P which is r centimeter away from the center is. The length of the tangent drawn to a circle of r centimeter where it is d centimeters apart from a point P is. The length is, let us think, L and radius is r. We know that d square is equal to, as we know that tangent makes 90 degrees at the point of contact with the radius, d square equal to r square plus l square. I need l value, so you can write it as l square equal to root over l square, l is equal to root over r d square minus r square. Option 3 is the correct. Let's move to the next problem. Now look at the problem number 51. Solve 1 plus tan square minus 2 tan x is equal to 0, then x is equal to. Let us write this one in an order. Let me assume that tan x is some helping variable as a k square minus 2k plus 1 equal to 0. Definitely k minus 1 whole square equal to 0 because it is looking like a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then k minus 1 equal to 0, then k equal to 1. Tan x is equal to 1. Tan x is equal to tan 45. Because at what value of tan is for 1 means we know it is 45, x equal to 40. But option is in form of pi. That's why convert 45 degrees in terms of pi by multiplying with pi by 180. 1 time it is 4 times. Then x is equal to pi by 4. Now look at the problem number 52. Tan theta is equal to a by b, then b into cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta. We all know that cos theta means you can write it as cos square theta minus sin square theta, you can write, or else 2 cos square theta minus 1 you can write, or 1 minus 2 sin square theta you can write, or else 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So I am going to use this one because we have a tan value, that is why 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus sin 2 theta also can be written like that, only 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now simplify b into 1 minus tan square theta plus 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Let's simplify. B into 1 minus, we know tan theta is a by b. So tan square theta is b square, a square minus b square. Then tan square theta value is a square by b square plus 2 into a by b by 1 plus a square by b square. B into b square minus a square by b square plus 2a by b by b square plus a square by b square. Let us simplify. B square minus a square plus 2a by, here actually a sin 2 theta. Let's take a sin 2 theta. Now you will get by b into b square by b square plus a square. Now b square plus a square into b square by b into b square plus a square will give you b. Then answer is b. Now look at the problem number 53. Look at the 53rd one. If tan 26 plus tan 19 by x into 1 minus tan 26 into tan 19 equal to cos 60. Tan 26 plus tan 19 by x into 1 minus tan 26 into tan 19 can be written as, we know that it is looking like tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. And you already know that tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b can be written as tan of a plus b. So tan of 26 plus 19 by x is equal to cos 60. Cos 60 value anyhow we know 1 by 2. Tan 45, 26 plus 19 is tan 45 by x equal to 1 by 2. You know that tan 45 value is 1. 1 by x equal to 1 by 2. Clearly x is equal to 2. Let's move to the next problem. Now look at the problem number 54. The area of the rhombus is 84 meter square and the length of one diagonal is 24 meters and the side of the rhombus b. We know area of the rhombus can be used. The formula is half into d1 into d2. Area they are given 84, half into one of the diagonal is 24 and another diagonal we don't know, leave it. So clearly then another diagonal d2 is equal to 7. Now if you have observed that rhombus is having diagonal 24 means we know the diagonals of rhombus are bisect as well as perpendicular. So the longer diagonal 24 can be written as 12 and 12 and the shorter diagonal 7 can be written as 7 by 2 and 7 by 2. Now if you observe that it is the 1/4 of the rhombus which is the right angle triangle. Here it is 12 and it is 7 by 2. You want the x which is the side of the rhombus by using x square equal to 12 square plus 7 by 2 whole square. X square is equal to 144 plus 7 by 2 whole square is 49 by 4. X square equal to, do the LCM, 4 into 144, 576 plus 49 by 4. X square equal to 625 by 4, where x is equal to square root of 625 by 4 will give you 25 by 2, which is 12.5 centimeter, will be the option 2. Now look at the problem number 55. Log of 0.36 bar and 121 by 16 is there. Then you know that how to express anything in the P by Q form is 0.36 bar. 0.36 bar can be written as 036. While you are converting any non-terminating repeating decimal, just follow this. think that there is no decimal point, 036 minus, subtract the integral part. What is the integral part is 0 by point after 2 digits having the decimal point after 2 digits are there. That's why write 2 nines. 36 by 99 will give you 4 by 11. So 0.36 has converted as 4 by 11. And it is 121 by 16. Log of, can we write that 4 by 11 as 11 by 4 by writing it as minus 1? Then it is 11 by 4 whole square. Minus 1 into reciprocal is 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is the required one. Let's move to the next problem. X square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and x square plus cx plus b equal to 0 have a common root, then b plus c value is. Let us think that alpha is their common root. Then alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0, as well as alpha square plus c alpha plus b equal to 0. Let's equalate now. Alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to alpha square plus c alpha plus b. Alpha square get cancelled. Make sure that alpha terms as one group. B alpha minus c alpha is equal to b minus c. Then take out alpha is common, b minus c is equal to b minus c. Clearly alpha is 1. Then substitute this alpha equal to 1 either in equation 1 or in equation 2. You will get the required one. 1 square plus b plus c equal to 0. Clearly b plus c is equal to minus 1 will be the required one. Let's move to the problem number 57. If one root of x square minus x minus k equal to 0 may be the square of the other, then the k value be. First of all, let's think that alpha is alpha, then beta equals square of the first root alpha square. Sum of the root alpha plus alpha square is equal to minus b by a, means minus 1 by 1. Alpha square plus alpha is equal to 1. Then alpha square plus alpha minus 1 equal to 0. Now if you have observed that, what will be the value of, then maybe alpha into alpha square product is equal to minus k. Then alpha cube is equal to minus k. Now we are going to find out what will be the alpha value with the help of the quadratic formula method. Minus b plus r minus root r b square minus 4ac by 2a minus 1 plus r minus root r 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 by 2 into 1. As I am taking alpha square, alpha and minus 1 are a, b, c are the coefficient of alpha square, coefficient of alpha and constant term. Minus 1 plus r minus root r, it is 5 by 2. Clearly by the, in the given option, still alpha cube I supposed to do. That means if it is alpha means it's a cube root, it's a cube I supposed to do. Then without doing the cube itself, wherever root 5 is there, we can take it, it will be the k value. That is 2 plus r minus root 5. Now coming to the 58th problem. Alpha and beta are the roots of x square plus ax plus beta is equal to 0. And 3, 3 are the roots of. If 8, 2 are the roots of x square plus ax plus beta equal to 0. And 3, 3 are the roots of x square plus alpha x plus b equal to 0. Now you are going to learn that the roots are the sum of the roots for the first equation. A equal to sum of the roots is minus a equal to 8 plus 2. Then a equal to minus 10. Here which is required, that is the b is the product. So 3 into 3 equal to c by a means constant by x square coefficient. So b equal to 9. x square minus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. What are the roots of these? Are clearly 9 comma 1 are the roots. Now look at the problem number 59. Now product of the roots of the quadratic expression 5x square minus 4x plus 2 plus m into 4x square minus 2x minus 1 is a sum of 3. They are asking you to find out m value. First of all, simplify. Make sure that it must be expanded and x square terms should be as x square term, x terms as an x term, constant terms as constant term. Then 5x square and 4mx square. 5 plus 4m into x square plus minus 4 minus 2m into x plus 2 minus m. Product of the roots for any quadratic expression is constant term by x square coefficient, which is equal to 3 they given. Constant here 2 minus m by x square coefficient is 5 plus 4m, which is equal to 3 by 1. Cross multiply and get the answer. 15 plus 12m is equal to 2 minus m. 15 minus 2 equal to minus m minus 12m, where is equal 13 equal to minus 13m, where m is equal to minus 1. Now look at the problem number 60. Cos cube a plus sin cube a by cos a plus sin a. We all know that a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. In the same manner, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Now expand it. Cos a plus sin a into cos square a plus sin square a minus cos a sin a whole by cos a plus sin a. Only first one I taken, getting can. In the same manner, if you are taken cos a minus sin a by cos square a plus sin square a plus cos a sin a by cos a sin a. 1 minus cos a sin a, 1 plus cos a sin a. Then answer is 2. These are the some more 25 PYQs which you can focus on. These are the PYQs of the APRJC, RTSRJC and NTSC stage 1 and stage 2 problem. We are going to learn some more problems in the part 3. Thank you for watching.